Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix invalid username or password error in the TradingView on iPhone. If you're sure your details are correct but the app keeps resetting them, don't worry, here's a clear step-by-step fix. First of all, double check your login details. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after you enter your email or username or password if you have logged in through email. Caps lock isn't accidentally turned on. You're using the email or login method you originally signed up with, email ID, Apple ID or your Google. Next, go to settings and then search for Safari and then go to clear its cookies by scrolling down. Click on clear history and then tap clear history. TradingView uses Safari for authentication and store seasons can cause login mismatches. Next, go ahead and open your app store, search for TradingView and then see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen or invalid username or password issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Now if that does not work, you are going to restart your phone. Press and hold the power plus volume button, slide to power off, wait for about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This clears background processes that might block authentication. Next, if you originally signed up with Apple ID or Google but you're trying to log in with email/password combo now, then the app will reject it. Tap the correct login option, sign in through your original method, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.